Guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel and welcome to another top 5 video. You guys had such a great response to the last one that I did. You said that you all loved it, so we're here doing another one today. If you didn't see the first one already, it was my top 5 products from MAC. Best of the best of the best of the best. Seriously, you cannot go wrong with these. And today we are doing the same thing except with Maybelline. I love Maybelline as a drugstore makeup brand. It's seriously, I think it's my favorite. It's a tough choice between it and NYX, but I think it comes out on top. And basically here today I have got 5 products from Maybelline that in my opinion are the very best of the best, that everybody will love, that everybody will adore, and that everybody will have great results with. So yes, if you want to learn about the best 5 products from Maybelline, then please keep on watching. First up, let's get her out of the way. And pretty much 99% of you that know me probably knew I was going to have this one first. The Maybelline Superstay Full Coverage Foundation. This stuff is ridiculous. In my opinion, best drugstore foundation on the market at the minute. So long lasting, so full coverage, so smoothing on, texture, fine lines, open pores, all that kind of stuff. It looks gorgeous. Now you guys know, most of you know, I am like crazy oily. I am like fry a bit of bacon on my face oily. This stuff lasts. Even on my oily skin, I can get a full 12 hours of wear out of it. Obviously, I still get shiny, but it doesn't cake, it doesn't separate. My oils don't seem to be able to break it down. It looks so good on the skin. It photographs well. The coverage is incredible. It covers up any darkness. It covers up, acne spots, rosacea, redness, everything. Pretty well, this will cover everything. Even the things you did last night that you regret. It'll cover them. I think this stuff is the best. Okay, next up we've got the Maybelline Age Rewind Dark Circle Eraser Treatment Concealer. Wow. That's a lot of words in a concealer. Most of you are actually probably surprised that this isn't the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. That one is so close to coming in second to this. So close. But in my opinion, this one's a little bit fuller in coverage. And for my tastes and my preferences, I like a full coverage concealer. Like if I'm using a product, I want it to do what it's supposed to do. So if you say you're a concealer, you need to conceal some stuff. This one has a little sponge applicator at the top. Majority of you are probably familiar with it already, but it is crease proof, it is creamy, it is easy to blend, it is long lasting, and it is really pigmented. I love this stuff. It lasts all day. It comes in a bunch of different shades. I actually use the pale light shade, light pale light, I don't know. The light shade, it's great for highlighting under the eyes. Like I said, it doesn't crease and it's budge proof. It will stay on your skin long lasting all day. I love this stuff. I love the Fit Me too, and it was so hard. I was like, oh, I'm cheating on one of my babies, but this one came out on top. Okay, next up I have the Maybelline Fit Me blushes. Maybelline do have a bunch of different blushes. They've got blush palettes, they've got shimmery blushes, they've got this, that, and the other. But for me, it's the basics that really come through. So yeah, these come in a bunch of different colors. I don't think that any particular shade is better than the other. The formula is really consistent through all of these. Really pigmented, but at the same time, you can't put your brush in and then end up with too much product on your brush and then end up looking like a hot mess. Like they're easy to work with. You layer them on softly, super long lasting on the skin. I have a lot of trouble with blushes just not wanting to stick around. I don't know, they don't like me. What is it about me that blushes don't like? Is it my jokes? Do I smell funny? What is it? Well, these ones like me, and these ones like my oily skin, and I can apply these in the morning and they are still there when I get home from work at night. They are very fine. Like the pigments in these are very small, so they don't emphasize any texture on the cheeks. They kind of look like spray on makeup, really beautiful airbrushed makeup that's like seamless. You can't see any edges. It just looks smooth and airbrushed and perfect and photoshopped. Basically, these look exactly the same on the cheeks. Gorgeous colors, gorgeous product, gorgeous formula. I don't have enough good things to say about these. These are awesome. Okay, next up I have the Color Drama pencils. Yes, the Color Drama pencils by Maybelline. And tell you what's really funny, right before I started filming this video, I had a little collection of Maybelline products on the rug here right next to me, trying to figure out, which colors to show and whatnot. Guess who came in and chewed one? Look what she's done. She's chewed it all. She's just come in, she's had a little feast, and now she's asleep. Typical. She takes after her mother, I'll tell you what. But these are basically lipstick lip liner hybrid pencils. I think they are called Color Sensational lipsticks, lip pencils in some countries. I will link them down below, the different varieties that are available. Basically a hybrid between a lipstick and a lip pencil. They are crazy pigmented. They're so creamy and comfortable on the lips. I go through these like you wouldn't believe. I have repurchased them that many times, and the nude one I'm already out of again. Like, look at this. It's tiny. Look at this tiny little stump. They are just so gorgeous and comfortable to wear. Very creamy. They're hydrating. The color range is gorgeous. They've got, you know, reds, pinks, burgundies, nudes, basically anything that you want you're going to find. And I just love the way they wear and feel on the lips. Love, love, love. Nobody ever talks about them either. I'm just like, guys, these are the unsung hero of Maybelline. They seriously are. And then finally, best product number 5 from Maybelline, and actually the newest addition to my collection. No, it needs like angelic music. It's that freaking good. Oh my God, you guys, this highlighter, literally just, it's groundbreaking. This is the Master Chrome Metallic Highlighter in the shade Molten Gold. It does come in other shades, but this thing, look at this. I could cry every single time. I'm like, oh my God, how? So ridiculously pigmented, so creamy, so reflective, so metallic, so long lasting, and finely milled. Like I said earlier, I've got textured skin, I've got enlarged pores. Things emphasize the texture on my cheeks, and I have a hell of a time finding highlighters, especially drugstore highlighters that don't do this. This doesn't do it. This looks like liquid metal on the skin. It basically makes your face look wet. Basically. Super long lasting, not like chunky or powdery, just this thing is everything. It is everything. I mean, I could stare at it all day. Just give me a minute. I'm just going to be here. I think this is totally worth the money, and it's not going to cost you much money because Maybelline is drugstore. In fact, go and get it and get some backups, because what if God forbid they discontinue it? Oh my God. Okay, BRB, I'm buying more. So yes, that brings us to the end of the video, my top 5 products from Maybelline. Like I said, in my opinion, these are hands down the best of the best of the best. You cannot go wrong. I feel like the formulas will work on every skin type, and I just don't think you will be disappointed. Like, they are worth every cent. Please let me know in the comments, guys, what brand you want me to do next. I'm planning on working our way through all of them to give you guys a better idea of what's good to spend your money on and what isn't. So let me know in the comments what brand you want to see next. I feel like Too Faced might be next. I have got a full face of Too Faced makeup coming too, like a tutorial. I'm excited. I love you guys heaps. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. And yes, I will catch you all in my next video, which will probably be up in 2 more days. So make sure to subscribe so that you don't miss it. Bye guys, I'll talk to you soon.